Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Equiapem Presbytery, has inducted Reverend Emmanuel Kwame Otu as Nsukka District Minister at Presbyterian Church of Ghana Calvary Congregation in Koforidua. The service was led by Reverend Ebenezer Ichampon Esiedu, Presbytery Chairperson, with support from Reverend John Kwashi and the Presbytery Session Council. Reverend Otu, hailing from Latte, Equiapem, urged church members and leaders to work together in promoting Christ, emphasizing that unity is essential for growing the church and serving the community.
And also for ordinary Siwonga so ama hon fam nyeme nyina fa hon gronkran ye de do so no ma no na ode honhom ene tumi aka wasam no no kware mu fa hon no so hyene den ma brabo a ehon tew na wa yenwanku no hwe so pa na de nyina mu no wadi usum no kware ya hye odin kronkron no anunyam.
After the event, the Presbytery Chairperson, Session Clerk, and Reverend Otu spoke with PCG TV News on the go.
Today is the 6th induction for my DC ministers, and today we happen to come to Nsukka, one of the biggest districts in our presbytery. And Reverend Emmanuel Kwame Otu has been inducted as the DC minister. The organization, the attendance, the participation was very good. The atmosphere in the chapel signifies a very solemn, a very spirit-filled activity. So indeed, we are grateful to God for the opportunity. The chiefs from Amano Chrome and chiefs from other places came to grace the occasion.
Okay, from Ferdinand Ekufuba, many senior presbyter Eda Safuyano, the Calvary Congregation of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana. And by the grace of God, you to me inducted here in Sofo, the chair of Sofo Emmanuel Kwame Otu. Na program no, it was a very successful program. Nyameni edana se bibi se abaso. You know, our presby in Shishe Muno, Asofo ko na Asofo Abba. Inti enene hu be here se yebeda Osofo Emmanuel Kwame Otu edi acha safo ne yedi na adwuma ehye ne nsase district minister and a minister in charge of this very congregation. Inti nyame ne yeda na se. In fact, yede papa ba ye ne na ye adwuma kakra na ye hu se ampo ye sofo ye nyame nipa na empe na mesre asafo no se yemwa no me kire osofo Otu yemwa no na adwuma a oba bedi wa ha kosi se obekọ no. In fact,
we should all be partners in ministry. It is teamwork. So, as I said in my short address, all should come together to promote the cause of Christ in the district. The youth in Nsukka district, I am so grateful. They came in their numbers. In fact, it is a church of youth. And as I also worked much in the youth, in the schools, in the colleges of education, and even in the higher institutions, I know God will help me to nurture them so that they can be useful members of the society in the future.
A seasoned educator and theologian, Reverend Otu is the son of Reverend William Otu, deceased, and Mrs. Rose Adjoa Otu. He completed his primary and middle education at schools in Latte and Amejope, followed by secondary education at EP Secondary School, Hohoi. He trained at Presbyterian Training College, Ekropon, and has taught at all levels of the educational system, including senior secondary schools, teacher training colleges, and as a teaching assistant at the University of Ghana. Reverend Otu holds a Master of Philosophy and Philosophy Ethics from the University of Ghana, a Master in Education from the Union Theological School of Christian Education, Virginia, USA, and a postgraduate diploma in education from the University of Cape Coast. He has authored publications including The Philosophical and Religious Perception of Communal Male Author in Conflict Resolution 2012, and The Home, the Basic Unit of Society, a case study of Kibi Municipality 2000. Ordained in May 2000 at Akem Oda, Reverend Otu has over 4 decades of experience in teaching, pastoral ministry, and church leadership. His induction signals a renewed commitment to unity and collaborative ministry in advancing the mission of Christ across the Nsukkwao districts.